Many homeowners install storm doors believing they'll shield their front door from weather damage. But in reality, storm doors often create new problems instead of preventing them. The biggest issue is heat buildup. Storm doors trap hot air between the glass and the front door, especially on sunny days. This greenhouse effect can dramatically raise surface temperatures, causing finishes to dry out, fade, crack, and peel far faster than if the door were exposed to open air. Storm doors also trap moisture. Rain, humidity, and condensation can collect in the enclosed space, and without proper ventilation, that moisture has nowhere to go. Over time, it seeps into seams and edges, accelerating peeling, bubbling, and even rot, particularly at the bottom of the door. Another overlooked problem is uneven exposure. Parts of the door shielded by the storm door frame age differently than exposed areas, leading to patchy fading and finish failure that's harder to repair. In colder months, storm doors can contribute to freeze-thaw damage as trapped moisture expands and contracts with temperature swings, stressing both the finish and the door material. While storm doors can be useful for ventilation or security, they are not a substitute for proper door protection. In many cases, a professionally refinished door with UV-resistant, flexible coatings will last longer without a storm door than a poorly protected door hidden behind one. True protection comes from the finish, not from trapping the door behind glass. And Door Renew applies finish for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.